While you're doom scrolling holiday inspo boards, other people are literally making thousands from those exact same searches. Let me show you how to become one of them. Hi, I'm Sabah. I went from working multiple service industry jobs to building multiple six-figure, completely faceless brands, all from organic Pinterest traffic. And now I help creators and business owners turn their pins into paychecks. In this video, I'm sharing a list of ways that you can cash in on Pinterest during Q4 because it's the highest buying time of the year, when brands are spending the most money and when consumers are buying the most. So whether you're selling digital products, doing affiliate marketing, collaborating with brands, blogging, or even growing YouTube channels, there's something for you within this video. Plus, I'm going to show you the AI tool that I use to go from idea to launch-ready product in minutes. First thing we need to establish is why Pinterest is a goldmine for Q4 in the first place. The period of Q4 is October through December, the holiday seasons where buyers are making the highest amount of purchases, where brands are spending the most amount of money, and when Pinterest traffic literally explodes. And why is that? Because people are searching for gift ideas for family, friends, coworkers, teachers, themselves, holiday events, think recipes, decor, party planning, outfits, and even travel destinations, self-improvement and goal setting, like vision boards, planners, fitness, and even budgeting for the new year. And this is literally the season for impulse buys and ready-to-spend shoppers. No matter how much it is, these people are spending their well-earned dollars on the Pinterest platform with no second guesses. And if you start positioning yourself for this right now, your products can ride this wave as well. Now, this isn't just random. This is from years and years of patterns and data. I myself have scaled multiple digital product brands starting around this time and growing in Q4 to 4 and 5 figure months. And I've also had multiple other students doing the same with digital products, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships. Now let's get into the multiple ways that you can ride this wave. The first thing, of course, is selling digital products, which is my favorite. Digital products are the fastest way to make Q4 sales without any inventory or shipping. Some examples of products that do amazing on the Pinterest platform are things like holiday bundles, think party planning kits, recipe ebooks, festive SVGs, and if you even want to get really unique into it, creating resources for brands that are going to be selling these things. So for example, you could be a creator that has SVGs or mock-ups for print-on-demand sellers for this season. I actually have a student that's scaling to multiple 5 figures a month doing this exact same thing, completely faceless. Another way is evergreen products with seasonal twists. So think something like a 90-day glow-up challenge or a Notion dashboard with a holiday planner included, and also something even more fun and unique for you creatives out there, DIY and creative patterns. So think crochet holiday blankets, printable crafts or design templates, or even sewing or crochet patterns. If you're someone that likes to create all of these things on your own, turn those into a digital product. You would be surprised how many people will buy that. And if you bundle those offers, you can sell it for even more and make even more cash. These products sell year round and people go wild for the holiday versions of these things. The second way is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing thrives all year round on Pinterest, but especially during Q4 because people are literally shopping on Pinterest, whether that's for themselves, whether that's for their friends or family, and they're shopping in bulk. Think even of yourself. We're going into this new season and you're thinking of all the things and clothing items that you need to buy for the next season moving ahead. Your summer clothes aren't going to make it into the fall, so you're most likely looking for ways to repurpose the wardrobe that you already have and add additional things to it. So think something like gift guides. For example, 25 cozy home finds under $25. You can create a bundle and you can offer URLs to those products so that you get a commission for each product that's sold. And then going to another one, niche holiday lists, skincare sets, kitchen gadgets, Amazon finds, even travel essentials, and even down to travel destinations. You can absolutely partner with brands as a faceless creator and recommend your favorite destinations for a commission. Whether you're partnering with a travel agency, an airline, a hotel chain, Airbnb, those are all possible on the Pinterest platform. So because of the fact that impulse buying is at its peak, Pinterest can literally become your own paycheck without even needing to have your own products. And going back into that point of partnerships with brands, that's the third way that you can monetize the Pinterest platform. Now again, you can do this completely faceless and you don't need a huge following in order to do this. It's more about the content that you're creating and the quality of that audience, and you can use that to present yourself to brands and get in front of those audience members. So with this already created content, you can pitch yourself to brands with products that you already have and use in your everyday life. You can even use the Pinterest platform to drive traffic to TikTok shop videos if you're an affiliate on the TikTok platform and further boost your views and engagement and, of course, overall sales. I have a student that did this and she cleared 4 figures in 1 week just by doing this with her organic Pinterest traffic. And when it comes to these things, don't be afraid to niche down. Niching down is where your audience is, so you can find them inside of these subcategories. It allows you to stand out in things that are already ranking with an even more specified outcome, product, or solution for the people that are actively searching for it on the Pinterest platform. So now that we've got ways and ideas for you to monetize that audience, let's talk about the buyer psychology on the platform, specifically in the last 3 months of the year. Now, this is again what makes Q4 sales so different. The first thing, of course, is impulse buys. When people see something festive, for example, or something that's going to help them get to a goal quicker or save them time or money in doing so, they want it now. So if you have an offer that might be a digital product or a product that can be shipped immediately from Amazon, you've got them right where you want them. And now the next step is to get them to the point of purchase. Remember, your audience is already on the Pinterest platform. It's a search engine, so they're looking for things to buy every single day. You've got the golden ticket to making sales and effortless commissions with these organic audience members. They're in the gift mindset, so they're not just buying for themselves, they're buying for others, whether those are physical products, whether those are software. Even if they're gifting vacations, travel vouchers, honeymoon trips, they're not just shopping for themselves, they're shopping for everyone on their list. And another thing, everyone is in self-improvement mode. Think of yourself every single time around this year. Of course, you naturally have a few New Year's resolutions, things that you can reflect on and things that you can improve inside of your life. You're not the only one. There are millions and millions of people on the Pinterest platform that are behaving the exact same way. So instead of being a scroller like those consumers, you're going to be a creator and give them exactly what it is that they need. That way you're able to directly connect with them and also make sure that you are cashing in on things that you yourself could have been looking out for in that specific time frame. As the year ends, people usually invest in planners, trackers, and guides to start fresh in January. That's exactly how I scaled this brand to over $10,000 in the month of January alone with a self-improvement focused digital product. And if your products fit one or more of these, you're putting yourself in a place to see sales skyrocket in these times. Now, here's why most people miss out. Most people wait until December to start. Now, while you can still grow and scale a Pinterest account in that timeline, it's very important to give Pinterest time to index your content and trust your content. Remember, it is a search engine, so it needs to match you with the correct audience. But in doing that, it needs to identify who you are in the first place. The smart move is to start now so that your content is already at the top when these buyers start to flood in the masses. I actually created a digital product and affiliate marketing AI duo specifically for the Pinterest platform so that you can not only create content with confidence, but you can create content that's converting. This is based off of patterns of the previous years and buyers and what's converting on the Pinterest platform and what's working specifically on Pinterest. If you're a creator that just wants to focus on Pinterest, this is definitely the thing for you so that you can double down on your audience on the platform and scale even higher with a platform that you're confident in. Now, if you're doing digital products, you can also utilize the digital product part of the pair that helps you literally go from idea to creation in minutes so that you can have a digital product that's curated to win and scale on the Pinterest platform. And not only that, you'll have the confidence of your overall offer. Comment duo and I'll send that right over to you. And if you want the step-by-step strategy on not only how to create your digital product or your affiliate offer, but also how to master and monetize Pinterest no matter what it is that you're doing, you can join the Pinterest Prosperity Program. It's a collection of all the knowledge that I've curated over the past decade and the past half decade of monetizing the Pinterest platform with video lessons, pre-made templates, and our full exclusive Discord community. So now that you've watched this full video, there is no excuse to be scrambling in the month of December and waiting till last minute to scale in Q4. You can literally build and launch a holiday-ready digital product or affiliate strategy today. This is when people are primed to buy, so you need to utilize this time and take advantage of the easiest time to start a brand on the Pinterest platform. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start cashing in, feel free to check out all of the resources down below in the description box and check out my previous videos where we go even more in depth on ways to monetize the Pinterest platform. You can find me on other socials if you want to connect even further, and good luck on the start of your Pinterest journey.